How's it going, guys? I'm Jose. We got Jared over here.
Yes, sir.
We're at Ryan's shop. This is what's called Principe Performance over here in McKinney, and today's the grand opening. Hoping for a pretty good turnout. We got a lot of people that RSVP. Got a lot of people coming. Hoping for some supercars. Real nice shop. Real nice guy. Really good work. He does my work for me and my trucks. I expect more out, but I don't get it.
They're always broken. But mine are never broken.
You don't have any cars. You got a Tesla.
That's a car.
Unfortunately. But yeah, y'all come check it out. Swing by. Hit up Ryan if you need any work done. Yeah. Great guy. Great work.
BMW work.
A lot of BMW work. I know they break down all the time. Same thing with Audis. I would know. I tell them.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all hit us up. And if you need a tow, hit me up. So.
Hot dog stand as well. How's the meat going? I
don't know. I'm gonna try it out, man.
All the bikes. How's the meat?
It's all right.
It's all right.
It's pretty lit though. It's pretty lit. For first meet, my man is killing it, bro. Can't be more happy.
Yes, sir. The man, the myth, the legend right here.
What's up? Crazy turnout. Thank you, everybody. I'm super happy with how this turned out. I don't even know what to say. This is my first meet ever. These are gonna happen every single month on the 23rd. So let's go. Congrats, bro. Thank you.
Got all the bikes in here, set up in the back. We got Cole's Beamer right here. This is the family squad right here. You enjoying the meet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How you enjoying the meet?
Loving it. Loving to see my bro coming up finally. You know, he's worked really hard for this. I'm glad to see him being successful now, getting after it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
I'll show y'all more of the lineup going up. We got Jared right here. Let's go find Jared and Jose. How y'all enjoying the meet?
Dude, it's a great time, man. Meeting good people.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
What's up, chat?
What's up? Oh, the other myths and legends right here. Well, I'm gonna cut them off right here. Going back for your second hot dog?
Yeah, I need another hot dog and making sure all my stuff's still near my car.
Yeah. How are you liking the meat? How's it coming out?
It's great. Hot dogs are the highlight of it. But
The highlight?
yeah, that's the best part. And this black Tesla is really cool. I don't know if you guys saw it yet. Bikes are pretty nice too, but decent meat, decent.
I just want to say a big thank you to everybody in this group and everybody that has showed up. And I'm excited to see how the future brings to us and to see how the shop performs. Make sure you guys come down for the best repairs, best mods. You know, we'll make your car fast.
Or at least run.
Yeah, or run. You know, if you got the dollar signs.
You're not first, you're last.
Yeah, if you ain't first, you're last. Ricky Bobby Johnson.